Is your Kia Sorento key fob not working as well as it used to? Does the vehicle beep twice when locking, or do you have to be right next to the car for it to work? These are signs the battery is low and needs replacing. For 2013-2020 Kia Sorento models, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. These batteries cost only $2 to $5 and are widely available at auto parts stores like AutoZone or from online retailers like Amazon. First, locate the small seam on your key fob. Use the flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to force it. Once open, you'll see the battery. Note the positive plus side facing up. Use the screwdriver or your fingernail to carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob back together until it clicks shut. Now test the fob near your Sorento. It should work like new.